There's not many things that are free at Disneyland. However, in this video, I'm going to show you a secret hack that can save you both time and money. This is the Toy Story parking area, located on South Harbour Boulevard and Catella Avenue. Disneyland charges $30 a day to park your vehicle. So if you're coming here on vacation, that cost can quickly mount up. You can also use rideshare or the Art Shuttle, but both of these will cost you money. However, if you're staying in one of the many hotels located around the Toy Story parking area, you can still use the Disneyland Shuttle for free. Just walk directly into the car park, past the entry booths. And once you're past here, just continue to walk forward. And once you see the Disneyland sign, just head straight towards it. Currently, there's still the park reservation system in place, so make sure that you've got a reservation for the park you're wishing to visit on this day. In front of you is the bag check area, so make sure you haven't got any prohibited items with you. As you can see, there are plenty of members of the security team and not many guests. It was pretty much a case of walking around these pedestrian barriers and then through security. And now it was time to get onto the shuttle itself. And the journey from here and to the park gate took about 4 minutes. And as our shuttle bus leaves, the next one moves in. And you notice on the front of the bus is the ART logo. ART is the Anaheim Regional Transportation, and it has shuttles that take you all around the Anaheim area. I'll put here a link to my video about how the ART system works and a journey from my hotel to Disneyland. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing.
Off like as much as like that one, right? Actually, what do you think? I know it's more than the inspired. 30? Lucas or something. I thought you said it's 30.
And now it's time to leave the parking lot and head towards the parks. And obviously, if you're staying in one of the hotels here, you can then walk back into the car parking area to catch the shuttle from there.
So God, we just have been walking
And next up is a left-hand turn onto Disney Way. Now we're entering into Disneyland property. In front of you is the rear of the Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout building. And 2 more buses off to collect more passengers.
see, yeah, you asked me about that. Did you want messages from the chat or you want me to? Say that you won't make it.
The one goal that we have for the trip is that we can get that.
Yeah, you will. Alright, I'll mess it up for you. I'll be the bad guy. He's
We're gonna
not the
fail at
bad.
And this is where we get dropped off. It's obviously good to make a mental note of this for when you leave the park. And for me, this is where using the Toy Story Shuttle really makes the difference. You've already gone through bag check, so you don't have to join these huge crowds getting into the parks. You literally get off the shuttle bus and head towards the park you have your reservation for.